Hi everyone, it's date night at the Panasonic Kitchen. My mouth is already watering thinking about today's recipe, so let's get right into it. My wife and I love seafood, but with the little one at home, it's not often that we get to have a nice dinner alone. So in preparation for the next time Grandma takes the baby, I'm learning to make steamed mussels to impress my wife. Nothing goes better with mussels than rice and garlic bread. So let's get started with the rice. For the side of rice, we're going to use the Panasonic 5-cup rice cooker. Throw a cup of rice, 2 cups of water. And here we have a beautiful loaf of garlic bread that we're just going to throw into the Panasonic toaster oven. For the main dish, we're going to be using the 2-in-1 combination oven. The really cool thing about this oven is that it has both the steam and convection cooking. Today we're going to be using the steam function to get those nice juicy flavors out of those mussels that everyone loves. Although mussels seem fancy, this recipe is super easy and only takes 40 minutes. You're going to start with a pound of mussels, some parsley, shallots, bacon, salt and pepper, and some wine for the recipe, but also for yourself while you're cooking. This combo oven has a variety of customized settings for steam. For this recipe, we'll be using one of the auto cook settings for 17 minutes. Now make sure that the tank under the oven is full and you're set to go. These mussels have already been rinsed, but make sure you rinse them under cold water and discard of any broken mussels. We're gonna place the parsley into the baking dish along with the shallots, the diced shallots. The bacon. Finally, the pièce de résistance, the mussels. We can't forget the beautiful white wine. And finally, we'll mix it well together. Pop it in the oven. And press start. All right, looks like the mussels are done. Let's check them out. Whoa, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. God, I can't wait to try one. Let's check on the rice. Beautiful fluffy rice. A nice little scoop of these mussels. Make sure to get some of that white wine sauce. Check on the garlic bread. Let's do this. Everything's ready, so let's dig in. Let's try some of these mussels first. We gotta just use the hands, the good old hands. The rice is fluffy, the mussels are fresh. Got the white wine in the rice and the garlic bread. Oh, a simple dish, delicious, perfect for date night. Cheers, till next time. Hi everyone. But with the little one at home, it's not often that we have a nice dinner alone. Mussels. The really cool thing about this oven, shoot, I'm gonna mess it up again, don't worry. And the remaining cup of wine. I'm an Olympian.
Panasonic.